Guys, this is Arafat. Welcome to BStack AI. In today's video, I will show you how you can fix the CapCut export error and no internet issue. Okay, so to do this, all we need is the CapCut app. Okay, once you open the CapCut app, you have to this section me. In this, I have already logged in. So to show you how to do that, I will sign out. Okay, after this you have to go to me. Okay, and after that tap to sign in. Okay, now you have to sign in with your email, or I will suggest you can use any temporary email. So to do that, you have to go to Google and search for temp mail. You can see the first website here, open it, and as you can see here, the email is loading. Once the email is loaded, copy it. Okay, after copying, you don't have to go to the app, just inside the browser you have to search for CapCut sign up. Okay, now you can see the first website, open it. If you go to the app and sign in from the app, it will again show you an error. So first you have to sign up on the web and then you have to go to app to sign in. So here I will enter the email address, the one we copied from the temp mail. Click continue. Okay, now we will enter a password and then click on sign up. Now you have to mention these details. Click next. Now the CapCut will send you an email. Come again to this temp mail, scroll down, you can see your inbox and click on it. You can see there is a verification code over here, 439853. So as you can see here, now your account is created. Now you have to go again to the temp mail. Okay, now you have to go to the CapCut app, sign in with email. Okay, paste the email here and your password. Click on continue. So now as you can see here, you can export this video. Let me show you. Now you can export this video. It's exported. Also you can use the templates and other pro features. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any problem related to the CapCut, you can comment below and I will make a video for you. Thanks for watching the video.